From the shores of the blue ocean, you come to the savannas in the depths of Africa. Almost all of Somalia's land was in this primitive stage, but now its age-old slumber has been disturbed. Machines have arrived in the savannas. Where the great reserves of arable land are, thousands upon thousands of acres of untilled soil. The question raised by many was whether a harvest could be obtained from the savannas, which from time immemorial were considered unsuitable for agriculture. Bulldozers from the Urals and the Volga region were delivered to the African land. Soviet and Somali specialists prepared the way to reclaim Somalia's virgin lands. While one group clears the land of undergrowth, another group consisting of topographers, geodesists, and surveyors work on the cleared territory. The soil is analyzed. The first furrow. And the first Somali wheat. Three state farms produce grain, cotton, and oil-bearing cultures on the new lands. Just as on other state farms, good dwellings, a school, hospital, water system, and electricity will appear in Togwajala.